Hello guys, my name is Akshay. Day before yesterday I created a blog on how to win friends and influence people, and I shared all social media platform. Some people uh, some people read this blog and every time some people skip it, but I am going to create this video for all those people. So let's get started. The first point is how to deal with peoples. See, we also did some mistakes, and we are doing some mistakes, and we will do some mistakes in future. That means uh, that means the mistakes is the part of our life. If someone did mistakes, then everyone scold them, or even we also scold them. But scolding or anger is not the solution on this. What we have to do, we have to guide those people who did mistakes. We have to feel their situation, why the mistakes happen, and we need to guide those people. That's why the mistakes will not happen in future. Then again, yeah. So don't criticize those people who have done these mistakes or anything. You have to guide gently. You have to talk about the mistakes happened, and that's why the mistakes will not be do in future. The next point is when the next point is when someone is talking to you, or when someone is talking to you, then you have to become interested in other people while they are talking. On our planet, uh, all wants to talk about ourselves. So what you have to do at that time, you have to talk about those people who wants to talk about themselves, ourselves, because no one talk about others, or everyone wants to talk about ourselves. So ask about their business, ask about their idea, ask about their plans. That's why the interaction between you and other people is become great. And if some problems or uh, some complexity in the ideas or in the business will sort out, and the other person will thankful about you. So become genuinely interested in other people's while they are talking. The impression will make your place in other people's heart or mind. If someone is talking, then you have to listen carefully what they are talking, how they are talking, and about what they are talking. You have to listen properly, and then respond them. And most important thing is you have to guide them. If they are going to some wrong ways, then you have to gently and peacefully you have to guide them. Yeah. The another thing is always keep smile on face. My friend also said me ki you are not smile every time, only sad face, and always in serious mode. But yes, I am improving myself. And yes, while you are talking to someone or any other person, You should keep smile on your face. Always keep smile on your face, and if we smile, then definitely our day will be go smoothly and happily. And if someone see your face, your smiley face, then then other person definitely will going to happy. The next point is, you have to remember all those people in your circle. You have to remember all people names which there in your circle. No matter how you call them, from what name you call them, maybe the nickname or whatever, but you should you should remember those people names. Yes. Next point is, while people talking to you, you have to listen them properly. Don't cut their points, and if some complexity or some issues came, then you have to peacefully stop them, and then respond them or ask some queries, and encourage them about to talk about themselves, cause on our planet all wants to talk about ourselves. No one talk about others, or everyone likes to talk about ourselves. Next point is, mm, how to win people's to your way of thinking. The point is, avoid the arguments is the key factor from that. See, uh, the argument is nothing going to help from any situation. If argument is happened, then the opposite person or other person will not going to help you, or they may be going too long from you. uh, the point is, don't argue with someone. If you are thinking ki argument, at that time the argument will be happening or will be happen, then what you have to do, you have to avoid it. If someone is telling I am best, then you should tell them ki yes you are best. That's why the argument will not happen. And yes, please avoid the arguments. The next point is respecting others. See, mm, respect is going to you very great position. If you give respect, then others will give respect. Otherwise, it will not going to work out. While someone is talking, you have to respect their talk, and you should respect the other person. Don't cut their point. Otherwise your respect will be go down, and the other person will feel bad about you. And never say the other person ki you are wrong. Always say yes you are right, but some issue or some problems you found in their idea or their business, you should talk about that, but in peacefully. There are some ways to talk about persons. Don't be in high level. Don't anger on other peoples. You should gently you talk them and peacefully attach your emotions and talk them. The next point is, if you did some mistakes or from your hand some wrong thing will happen, if anything goes wrong from you, then you have to admit it quickly, cause if these mistakes know everyone from someone, then it will going to very difficult for you. So any wrong thing happen by you, then admit it quickly. That's why the problem will not going so long. The other point is someone, yeah, everyone tell about some ideas or some everyone is doing some work or anything, then you should congratulate them who are doing really great work. And congratulating is not wrong for anything. If you congratulate anyone you are doing great work, and if you are encourage them to creating their works, then definitely uh, they make they will achieve the great position. And yes, they will remember you every time to for encouragement, for your encouragement. So the point is, if someone doing great work, then you should talk about their plans, their ideas. So the so that's why they want they will know the idea is going to work out. And yes, definitely they also going to achieve some great position in their life. Now the other point is, in every now we are in lockdown, and we see on television or internet, there are lots of people's advertising their ideas. And some TV serials, TV serials, they in their TV serials only drama is happening. So if you have some ideas, if you have your own ideas, then why you are sitting, uh, why you don't uh, dramatize your idea? I mean, we should dramatize our ideas. That's why the what we are thinking, the way of thinking will go to our other people's, and they should know what we are thinking and what our plans. So dramatize your ideas. Next is, see, I am talking repeatedly for this, the mistakes. If someone did mistake, you don't have to criticize them. I am keep on telling, if someone did mistake, then don't scold them. You should guide them properly. In company, I see there are lot of people do mistakes, and I know we hurt from those people and those mistakes, but you need to guide them properly. That's why the mistakes will not happen in future again. If someone did mistake, yeah, this is a small thing, mistake. Yes, this is small mistakes, and we going to create the big situation. If someone did mistake, then you should tell about your own mistake. I mean, I am going to tell you one example. In one company, there are some employees and one manager is there, and there one employee did some mistakes in work, and the manager came to this employee and said, you did this mistake, but this is very small mistake. When I am at your age, I did very much mistakes than you. This is you did mistake. This is very small mistake, but I am at your age. I am doing lot of mistakes, and my boss scold every time. But this is very small mistake. You should improve your skills, and don't worry, it will happen, and everything will go smoothly. So this is way to communicate our employees or communicate other persons, and this type of telling or this type of statement will encourage the other person to work hard, and they also try to try to in future the mistakes will not happen. They also try. Yes. The other point is, in our society there no one wants to order them. If someone take you order or give you order, then definitely you will going to angry. So in our society there is no one wants to give order. So what the point is, in one college definitely there are lots of students, but one student keep on parking their bike outside the parking zone. One day the security guard came to classroom and said ki, hey, stand up and go to the parking zone and put your bike in parking zone. What we are supposing here, ki this guy go to parking zone, and he should park the bike in parking zone. But the reverse happened here. The boy stand up and repeatedly scold to the security, and the boys friends also daily park their bikes outside the parking zone. Then what the security did and what he supposed to do, the reverse happened in that place. What security should do that place, he should go to classroom and gently he have to ask question ki See, there is one bike parking outside the parking zone. If you park in parking zone, then no one will disturb from that, because coming and going back is going to difficult, cause your bike and the reputation of our college also will not going to damage. So you should you should park the bike, otherwise all other students also see that, and they also going to park outside the parking zone. That's why the reputation is going to go down. And yes, then the boy can out go outside the class, and he parked the bike, and yes, definitely all going smoothly. The other point is encouragement. In our society, if someone going towards the success, there are lot of members who are pull pull them down. But this is not right way. You have to encourage other people what they are doing. The encouragement is one thing. You also will going to high, and you will achieve your success also, and you will going to help other person also. If someone did some mistake or in their plan or idea, then you have to encourage those people. Yeah, this is small mistake, and you will do better than that. So encouragement is one of the most powerful key and thing to achieve all those things. So that's it. We'll meet again very soon. Bye bye.